Hello, this is Susan Tripp. Today we're featuring our personal protection equipment organizer, which is one of my all-time favorite products. It has a lot of variety, a lot of flexibility, multitude of compartments, and is pretty darn easy to install. Jason and Neil are putting this up on a regular sheetrock wall. It has 3 keyholes, so they marked where the keyholes go. They're screwing the screws right into the sheetrock, and then they put the organizer in the large part of the hole and push down for the keyhole to seat. The product is made out of PVC and acrylic, and you can order the acrylic door in a variety of colors if you want a color code. It has 3 large bins, 4 horizontal cubbies for things like safety glasses, and then a shelf on top that has a safety lip so things won't fall off. There's a a dispenser on the right side, which can be used for gloves or to put a fire extinguisher in. It has hooks on it that can be used for streetwear or hard hats or safety gear, hearing protection, tubing, electrical, just about anything that you can think of. It can be used for cleaning equipment or your own special just for you type products, your favorite things that you need to get in and out of the lab. We thank you for visiting Tripp NT. Please call with any questions anytime. 800-874-7768. Bye-bye.